Hey guys, thank you for joining me. If you're new to my channel, I am Diamond. If you're returning, thank you so much. Please remember to subscribe and turn on your notifications if you haven't done so already, so you can know when I post new videos. Now, if you're not new to my channel, you know I mostly do commentary and advice videos, but I'm also an artist and I wanted to take a break from the controversial topics and all the drama, so I decided, why not do an art video? I had something in mind that I saw on Pinterest, but knowing me, I definitely did stray from what I wanted to do originally, but it turned out great. So if you want to see what it looked like, stay till the end. Now, for this artwork that I did, I used cardboard, pencils, a ruler, these pure eyeshadow pigments. I used makeup brushes and a setting spray. I had to get some more makeup brushes because, as you can see from the first part, I only took out two, and I think I used about 2, 4, 6, about 7 different colors in this artwork. So I used 7 or 8 or maybe even 9 brushes. Plus I had more, so I just took out some more brushes just to have enough. I probably took out way too much. So as you can see here, I'm definitely putting the S in struggling artist. I'm not normally terrible at math, but I was kind of going crazy trying to figure out these dimensions. If you're someone or you know someone who struggles with math, there is an Instagram page called Straight A Profile. That's straight underscore A underscore profile. Particularly if you're in the Caribbean, definitely go check them out. I'll link them in the description. Now, I think this is the exact moment that I gave up. I was using a ruler, and then I just say, you know what, screw that ruler. I started to use my hand. I just started to draw some shapes, and I just you'll see. Now that's just a peek of the first little parts that I started to sketch. Then that's how it looks part way, and that's how it looks the other part way, and that's how it looks completed. Okay, so I started with this blue pigment and I made the mistake to put water instead of the setting powder, and I completely ruined that first blue section. So there wasn't even enough blue that I put. I just got fed up with the blue and I just put it down. So I accidentally spilt the purple color on myself and kind of created something that I didn't expect. You know, I used the drippings and I just did some drip drops around the entire painting, and I turned the drip drops into flowers. Also, shout out to my tripod stand that doubled as an easel. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next one.